If you are ambitious but lazy, here is how to make money with AI. If you are ambitious but lazy, you were born at the exact right time in history. Lazy is usually an insult, but in this context, lazy doesn't mean doing nothing. It means high leverage, doing the work once and getting paid for it repeatedly, or using AI to do 90% of the heavy lifting. The lazy approach is about leverage. It's about building a machine that works for you. I'm not talking about taking surveys or clicking ads for pennies. I am talking about building systems. Whether you are a creative, a techie, or have zero skills whatsoever, there is a specific lane for you to succeed. Today, I am doing a deep dive into how to monetize AI. Here is your roadmap to making money with AI by doing less, but smarter work. Part 1. For the creatives, designers and artists. If you have an eye for aesthetics, but hate the tedious process of drawing or mastering complex software like Photoshop, AI is your factory. The strategy here is print on demand and digital assets. The lazy play isn't to sell one piece of art to one client. It's to sell the same design 1,000 times on physical products without ever touching inventory or shipping a box. The way this works is you use AI image generators to create niche designs. Think retro wave cat astronaut or minimalist boho flower patterns. You then upload these to a print-on-demand service. When a customer buys a shirt, the service prints and ships it, and you keep the profit margin. The secret to making this work for the lazy person is quantity combined with automation. You don't make one design, you make 100 in an hour. The tools you need to master are Midjourney, which currently offers the highest artistic quality, or ideogram, which is best for handling text and typography. Once you generate the images, you must use a tool like vectorizer.ai to upscale them into crisp, printable files. Finally, you connect your designs to a selling platform like Printful or Printify, which integrates directly with Etsy or Shopify. Your job is to learn prompt engineering for specific styles, like sticker contours or t-shirt vectors, and to learn how to spot micro-trends on TikTok so you can capitalize on them before the market floods. Part 2. For the writers and thinkers. If you are more of a writer or a thinker, the second path is building a content empire. Maybe you can write, but you are exhausted by the content treadmill, and you certainly don't want to be an influencer filming yourself dancing in your kitchen. The good news is, you don't have to be. The strategy here is to build media channels, which could be a YouTube channel, a niche blog, or a newsletter. You use AI to script, voice, and edit the content. You ask AI to take one core idea, like the history of Bitcoin, and turn it into a YouTube script, a blog post, and a Twitter thread instantly. For this path, you can use Claude 3.5 Sonnet for writing because it has the best human-sounding nuance, or ChatGPT for structural outlines. For audio, you can use 11 Labs, which creates voiceovers indistinguishable from human voices. For the visuals, you can use InVideo AI or CapCut to generate the video footage based on your text. To start, you simply pick a boring but profitable niche such as Excel tutorials, home gardening, or true crime. You can use ChatGPT to generate 50 video ideas in seconds, then use InVideo to generate the actual videos. Part 3. For the non-techies, the generalist. Now, what if you aren't creative and you aren't a writer? This brings us to the third path, which is for the generalist or the organizer. The strategy is the AI automation agency. This is perhaps the most lucrative option for the ambitious side of your personality. You don't need to know how to code, you just need to know how to connect things. Businesses are currently drowning in busy work and administrative tasks. You sell them the cure. The workflow involves finding local businesses like real estate agents, dentists, or gyms and offering to automate their boring tasks. You might say, I can make it so that when you get a lead on your website, they instantly get a personalized SMS and are added to your calendar. It is essentially software as a service without having to write any software. The tools you need are the glue of the internet, specifically Zapier or Make.com. These are visual drag and drop tools that let you draw lines between apps to connect them. You combine this with the OpenAI API to add intelligence to the workflow. Watching a 1-hour tutorial will put you in the top 1% of the population regarding this skill. Part 4. For techies. Finally, let's talk about the path for the techies or the builders. If you have even a little technical background, the barrier to entry has collapsed. The strategy here is Micro-SaaS and AI Wrappers. You don't need a team of 10 engineers anymore. You need you and an AI co-pilot. You can build tiny, specific tools that solve one annoying problem, like a tool that rewrites recipe blogs to just give the ingredients, or a tool that generates wedding speeches. The lazy secret is to use AI coding assistants to write 80% of the code for you. You become the architect, and the AI becomes the bricklayer. The tools you should use include Cursor, which is an AI-first code editor, or GitHub Copilot. For getting your app on the internet, you can use Vercel or Replit to host your app in seconds. Go to forums like Reddit or Quora, see what people are complaining about, and build a simple AI wrapper to fix it. Conclusion. The outlook for 2030. Looking ahead to the year 2030, the landscape will change again. By then, simply knowing how to use the tools won't be enough, because the tools will be smart enough to use themselves. The value of human labor will decline, while the value of human judgment will skyrocket. The winners won't be the ones who can type the fastest prompts. The winners will be the curators and the strategists. You shouldn't just generate content. You must build a brand that people trust. You shouldn't just run automations. You must understand the business logic that makes money. The lazy, ambitious person wins because they focus on strategy, which is the high-value work, and let the AI handle execution, which is the low-value work. Your next step is to choose just one of these paths today. Don't try to do all of them. Pick one, build the system, and let the machine run. Don't try to do all three. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI tech explainers. See you next time. Thanks for watching.